In this training, I'm going to be looking at the proper way to do naming contests at Squadhelp, and I'm going to be picking a case study. Take a particular name, we'll start it from the very scratch right to the ending of submitting the name contest, so that everyone here will know the proper way of doing it, how we research a good name for a business. Now, before we go into all that, many of you have been complaining of not knowing how the name should come up, meaning that you don't really know how to go about the Squadhelp platform. So because of that, I'm going to be looking first at a walkthrough of the entire Squadhelp platform, because it will be completely useless if you cannot get a hold of the name in itself, since not all of you are conversant with the Squadhelp platform. So you log into your account. When you log into your account, you click on go to the dashboard, and here we have it, everything. See right here, you scroll down, and this is all that Squadhelp has to offer. The entire platform is all here. So now the first thing, for domain, for your naming your contest to show up, all your contests are here. You want your contest to come up, you come down here, you check your contest, you go to my active contests. So here you see your active contests. We have 138 contests here. All your active contests will show up. The one you are eligible for, the early access, and all the contests entirely, you are going to see them here. Now, some of you complain of not seeing any contest at all. That's because you have not done some things right. Here, when you click on contest, my contest, you see the contests that have been assigned to you. See, assigned to me. These are the contests assigned to you. For me, they are 59. Yes, they are 59. Now, for your contest to show up himself, you need to go down here, you click on my accounts, then you see here where you have get started, you click on it. And this is what you want to do. These two, naming and logo, has to show, they have to be highlighted. Now, if they are like this, if they are both like this, nothing is going to show up. That is why many of you are not seeing any active contest at all. Please tell us what kind of contest you intend to participate in, meaning that you should only participate in logo and design, meaning that anyone you want to participate in, you click on it. So if you click on naming, then you are going to be receiving naming contest only, no logo contest to show up. Now, if you click on logo, that means you are going to be receiving both the naming and logo contests. Invariably, if you don't click on any of them, you are not going to be seeing any active contest whatsoever. So that is how you do it. Now, if you want to upload your profile image, you click on it here, you see upload your image, you click on it, then you can now upload where you must have saved it. You must have saved it on your desktop. You now upload from there. You just click on the image, you upload it from there. I've already done that for mine. So that is it generally for your name, for your active contest to show up. Now, if that is noted, your account details, you click on account details, and then anytime you want to change anything here. Now, I want you to watch this. If you if you just come down here and you start changing, let's say you start changing and just writing, you do it like this, and then you now click, you will not see any button where you are going to submit anything. You understand what I'm saying? Now what you are supposed to do is that anytime you want to make a particular edit, that particular section, like this is section, you see about me section, you have the edit. Now this is another section, name and screen name, you have the edit. So anytime you want to edit anything, you just click on this edit. You click on the edit and you now see it, everything is now highlighted. You edit whatsoever you want to edit and update. You now click on update. So that is how you do it each time for any of the section. Now they have two payment methods. They have Payoneer, Payment, and PayPal. See, the options are here, PayPal and Payoneer. Now we have all learned how to open a PayPal account. What is left now is Payoneer. And I will advise that we use Payoneer for, especially for some of you that are having issues that have not been able to open PayPal. You can use Payoneer. That's for another class. I'm not going to touch on it now, but Payoneer is very, very easy and fast, and you can be using it for other platforms also. So that's how you go about doing your edit. Then also, for you to know how you look like to the public, this is a public profile. Let's right click it, and this is it. This is how your profile looks like. This is how your profile, see, the interest and all should be there. So that's the profile there. That's how you check your profile, how you look like generally. Now dashboard, let's click on dashboard. Now when you click on dashboard, you are going to see your assigned contests. Anytime you want to do naming or logo contest, I advise you always click on dashboard. It will take you straight here. Then you can now click on what your view contest. So you go straight to the contest assigned to you, and try as much as possible for your profile completion to be between 70 to 80%. See, these are the assigned contests here, so you can now keep on clicking on it, and these are the ones you are eligible for direct. It take you straight there. See, that's it. Then what next? We have seen the contest. The contest you have submitted, my contest, active contest, those that are ending, so not yet participated. Then the winners, these are those that have won the contest before now. Then your transactions, what you have earned, your payout, then your points. Your point. Each time somebody signed up through your link, you get points. You get points. For me, I have 11,000 plus points so far. Then the activity, the message and activity, everything relating to your submission, and then the messages you have received so far. Then the my account section, we have touched there, get started, account details. Here you can change your password on there. Then the public profile, you have seen that, the affiliate dashboard. This, when you invite people to Squadhelp, if they create a contest, you earn. If they sign up, you get points. So this is where you see all those stuff relating to your affiliate. How many people have visited you and the total sign up. So for me, I have 42 sign up from the 111 persons in the group. So 42 of you sign up using my link. So that is it generally about the platform. So the main thing here is that you know how to activate both the naming and the logo contest, as some of you have been complaining about. Then you also make sure that you upload a good image, your image is well uploaded, then the payment you add it up. So that's it, a brief walkthrough of the platform generally.